In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the food logger efficiently in MacroFactor. So what you'll need to do first is simply download the application if you don't have it downloaded into your phone on any store, Play Store if you're using Android or App Store if you're using iPhone, and then go and access. Make sure to log in into an account if you have an account, and if you don't, just go and create an account. The application is paid, so you'll need to pay a plan if you want to use it, but they offer a 7 days free trial for $1. It's not completely free if you want to try it out before it starts paying. So how to use the food logger efficiently. So once you open the application, you should find yourself in such a place. Here, you'll find the food log at the bottom left. If you go and click on that example, you'll be able to here start adding your food. Basically, now how can you use it efficiently? If you, of course, here if you go to search food, here you'll find a lot of foods, like as an example, like a lot of fruits, a lot of veggies, a lot of known stuff. But let's say you cook your own meal and it is basically custom and you want to keep adding it, like not every time, of course, go here and click on plus and you'll have to go and click on add new and keep adding it every time. So let's say one custom food, or you can also, as example, go here to library and add some recipes that you do all the time. Maybe you do sometimes scrambled eggs, sometimes you do some potato with eggs, with tuna, with whatever you want. I don't know what you do. So you can just go here and start adding some recipes, and you can simply add the total weight of it, quantity, you can add the ingredient of it, and basically you can calculate how much calories it will be in that recipe. You can add multiple, like let's say you can add here all the recipes that you do, so it will be efficient. Now, as an example, you can also add some favorite food. Now, let's say an example, some custom food or some favorite recipe, you ate it today and you wanna just go and add this example another time. So let's say I ate something like yesterday and I wanna add it today. Or let's say, an example, I do have here something else. So yeah, I ate this custom food in Tuesday and I wanna add it today. I can just go and click on it and click on copy, and I'll be able to paste this example to today, to tomorrow, or I can go to that wherever I want, an example here, and click on paste. I'll be able to paste it. Now I can go to dashboard and I'll find the calories added right here. So that should be it for me in this video, and that's how you use the food logger efficiently. So thanks for watching and goodbye.